Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Makeup by Luca Miko. As you would have probably read from the title of this video, I am going to be sharing with you my reviews on a couple of things that I picked up from Europe. Now the reason why this haul is coming in a little bit late is because I wanted to try out these products for a good 1 month and then be able to give you a review. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first I have with me two products here, and these are the two products that I have, and this I picked up from this place called Fragonard in France. This is what the name of the brand is. It's called Fragonard, and I've picked up these two products from there. First is a serum and second is an argan oil. Now this serum is such a fantastic product, guys. It's by this brand called Vray. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So it's an absolutely amazing product. It's a serum, as I said, and it comes in this sort of dispenser. So I take about good 4 pumps across my face and I just gently massage that in, and this you are actually supposed to use before your moisturizer, but this works as a moisturizer itself for me, and it very gently hydrates my skin and I don't feel oily or greasy. My skin just feels really nice and smooth and very well. And the second would be about this argan oil. Now this argan oil is an absolutely amazing alternative to your regular body moisturizer. It smells absolutely divine, and you just put it all across your body, say after a shower, and you smell absolutely amazing, and also it moisturizes your skin very deeply because it's a sort of an oil. It doesn't leave your skin greasy as well, so that's something that I really like about this product. And you can also use this on your hair. And one is this product by Vichy. Now this is a sunscreen by them. It's got the SPF 50 and it's got a dry touch. So what I really liked about this is that the consistency of this product, now I've used it for a good 1 month, and the consistency of this product is very thick. So what it does is that it lasts on your skin for a very long time, even if you're sweating, because it's very humid right now in Bombay, and even if you're really sweaty and really greasy, this still has that dry touch that it claims to have, and that's what I really loved about this product. And other than that, it smells really good as well. And one more thing that I noticed about this product, I don't ever use sunscreen on my under eyes, and because they're very sensitive. And this is the very first time that I tried a sunscreen on my under eyes, and it was absolutely fine. My under eyes didn't burn, they didn't react in a really bad way. So that is something that also I loved about this product. Next, I picked up a lot of products from this brand, obviously. This is Sephora, and I picked up a couple of products from there, and the first 3 products would be from the Sephora brand itself. Now I ran out of my compact powder, so I picked this up from there, and this is in matte tan in the shade number 35. Now this product is a compact itself. This is what it looks like on the inside, and it's pretty dark for me actually, but I use it as a contouring shade, and sometimes when my skin has a little bit more of a tan, that's when I kind of use this product. And the other 2 products that I picked up from there are their lipsticks. They were pretty reasonably priced, and that's the reason why I sort of picked them up. They come in this sort of a packaging. This has got like Sephora written everywhere, and the shade color is over here. So you open this up and the shade number is written over here, and this is the pink shade that I picked up. It's a very beautiful sort of a bright pink. And then I picked up this red shade. It's called the Red, and this is what it looks like. It's got the shade here, and this is what the product looks like. So these are what they look like swatched. This is the pink shade and this is the red shade. They're very beautiful colors. So yeah, and they wear on really well, and I'm actually wearing the red shade at the moment, and they are pretty nice and soft on the lip, and they don't really crack my lips up, and that's something that I really like. So they're pretty moisturizing. So that's something that I like about the Sephora lipsticks. The next product that I picked up is from Benefit Cosmetics, and this is their Real Mascara. This mascara, guys, is life changing for me because my hair, as you can see, is pretty straight and my lashes are even more straighter. So for them to sort of curl and for the curl to last for a very long time, the mascara has to be genuinely excellent and amazing. And this is exactly what this mascara is. This is the second pack that I have picked up, and I got it in a nice tiny pack. I think I picked it up for 12 euros, so it's not very inexpensive. It's a pretty high price, I would say, for a mascara. But then this, guys, like I said, is absolutely life-changing. It gives me length, it gives me volume. The curl lasts literally for an entire day. From early morning to night, this mascara has been on my eyes and it lasts for a very long time. So if you are looking out for a very good mascara and you're tired of trying different kinds of mascara, do not think anymore and just go and pick this up. So that's another thing that I picked up. Now, last but not the least, I picked up this magical product. I was very skeptical to pick this up, but I anyway picked it up because I really wanted to try it, and I've heard so much about this product that each time I saw it at Sephora, I was like, I really want it. So then I went and picked it up, and this is the original makeup eraser, and this product is so good, guys, that I've used this in across a month, like I told you, and this product is so amazing that I did a separate video on this. So it's coming out soon, and I really want you to witness the magic that this product has. So I'm not going to talk much about it because there's a full-fledged video about it, so you can see whatever I have to say about this. Yeah, guys, so I guess I'm done with the entire haul, and I really hope you like it. And please go and have a look at my vlogs as well of Paris and Spain, and I loved putting across that sort of content to you because I love traveling as well. So please go and check that out, and yeah, I guess I'm done with whatever I have to say. So I will see you next time. Stay tuned. Bye.